calm down, please.
What is wrong with you? You are not ashamed of yourself fighting with a fellow man over a girl when you have a daughter and a son in this house. Can you come where?
Let me explain.
Explain what? What is there to explain? Everything is clear already.
It's not what you think.
What do you want me to think? What do you want me to what should I think?
Let me explain. Let me explain. Just calm down.
You're cheating with me with that girl? Is that what you want me to think?
See, I'm not cheating on...
You're not what? You are not what, Richard?
She's my daughter.
Or you think I'm stupid? You think I just walk in and talk anything and you want me to listen to you? Do I look stupid in your eyes? What rubbish are you talking about?
She's my daughter. I think she's my daughter.
You think?
Yeah. See, when I took her to the hospital, I did not know who she was. I just thought I was helping someone who was involved in an accident. It was when I went to the hospital to check up on her that I saw the woman who I believe is her mother. Now, that woman had a daughter for me. So that's why I think
tell me you're joking. No, just tell me, Richard, that you are joking.
It's not a joke, it's the honest truth.
So you went behind me and had an affair. What did I lack? Can you call me Jipuzenilo? No, tell me what, I don't understand. I'm a full-grown woman. What did I lack that made you go outside? Did you ever ask me to open my leg and I closed it? So where did I go wrong?
See, when you had Joyce, it took time before you conceived a childboy. So at that point, I wasn't in the right frame of mind. So I was having an affair with her and she got pregnant. So I had no other option than to marry her. And she gave birth to the girl. So 6 years later, we had some issues and we separated. I swear I've never cheated on you again since then.
You never had the guts to tell me this. If you went out, you went on an away match. But you know what you see, you just got nonsense. Then you realize that the ball you played was wrong. All of a sudden, goal, Chuku Okike Abiyama, your God. No, you know when to put a boy and when to put a girl. Okay, because it was delayed, now went out. But I match. I told you 6 years later, you kept it to yourself. And you never told me. And the one that gave me another that went behind my back and got married without telling me.
I swear, I wanted to tell you.
No, I swear, what else secret do you have? What else are you not telling me?
Nothing. I wanted to tell you, but I
what?
Honey, see.
Don't even touch me. I don't know if I should call you a goat or a cow. Unyala. See. Imara hedema. Wele aka gelule efere Chineke. Le efere eluigwe aka keligwe wangore. If I get that girl and that woman close to my gate, hello. Eligwe angore will turn to another version. Ya uroko mo. If I see them, I'll burn her alive. If I uroko they smoke. Straight to hell. Don't try me. For now.
Adora.
Thank you so much, sir, for everything. I don't know how I can ever repay you. I'm grateful.
It's nothing really. If I hadn't done it, someone else would have done it.
Not everyone will be kind enough to help a total stranger. There are few good people in this world and you're one of them. Thank you.
It's nothing. A young man was here to see you, Michael, and he was the one that paid for your operation when the hospital could not reach me.
He did that for me?
Yes, he did. And from the way you're smiling, it seems that you two know each other. If I may ask, how well do you know him?
I don't know him too well. But he has been asking me out for so long. And I refused because I'm scared of being used and dumped. I thought he was one of those guys that goes after innocent girls. But with this he just did, I think he's different.
Don't be too sure. Some men can go to any length just to get what they want. Besides, you're still a young girl and your concern right now should not be about men.
Well, if you say so. Sir, I think I'm strong now. I want to go home. I've not seen my mom for a while now. And each time I wake up and ask after her, they will tell me she just left. I'm no longer comfortable here. I want to see my mom.
The doctor said that you still need to be here for some days so that they are sure you're stable.
But I'm stable. My mother has been sick for a while. She's all by herself. This time, you need to help me talk to the doctor.
Okay, why don't we do it this way? You give me your address and your mom's full details and I'll go and seek her out for you and bring her here.
Sir, you've already done enough for me. I don't want to bother you anymore.
I am not complaining. It's alright.
If you say so, sir. I live at number 22 Edinwoko Street. And my mom's name is Nkechi Onyema. It might be difficult for you to locate because it's inside. But once you mention her name, people will direct you there because they know her.
So, your name is Monachimso Onyema?
Yes, that's my full name. But how did you know?
I saw your mother here a few days ago. My child.
I don't understand. Why are you calling me your child?
You are my child.
How?
What do you know about your father?
Not much. But I know his name.
What is his name?
Mr. Richard Okafor.
I am Richard Okafor. We've met many years ago. My daughter, my world. You are a star.
How's my princess doing?
Fine, I missed you so much.
You are a star. The sky will be your starting point.
I'm a star.
Hello, my love. I'm missing you. As I'm talking to you now, I'm working. I'm with my manager. We are discussing about our next project, how to embark on our next project. So, how about Chiboy and Joyce? Okay, okay. Okay, I love you. I love you. I love you.
So you've been married all these years. How could you do this to me, Richard?
I can explain.
Explain what? For good 7 years you kept me in the dark. No wonder you don't want me to come to the city.
My love, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself! I think this fake marriage is over!
My love, please hear me out.
Hear you out for what, you fool? This fake marriage is over!
If I ever see you come close to me again or to my daughter, I will kill myself and kill my daughter. You idiot! Useless man.
My love. My love.
And the sky will be your starting point.
You, Mr. Richard.
It's me.
It's you.
Yes.
Every day and night I pray. So Kimaro Bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray. So Kimaro Bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Chimo, Chimo, Biagu como bio. Chimo, Chimo, Biagu como bio. Yes, every day and night I pray. So give my happy mom. Many wanna pull me down. Oh, your soul is rock, I stand. Chimo, Chimo, Biagu como bio.
You know you need to be exercising more often.
The doctor and nurses said that, but
No, but I'm here. I'm here.
Father, Mother was so broken when you left. She told me all that happened. I felt so bad.
I know that I've wronged you and your mother. I hope you find a place in your heart to forgive me. I actually came back, but I was told that you two had moved, that you were no longer living there. And I tried, but I couldn't find you.
Despite what happened, you are a good man. You saved my life. Who am I to judge you? I believe God brought you at that moment to save me. Father, the past has passed. We are here now.
You said your mother is sick.
Not just sick. She is very ill. That's why I need to go and see her. Please, sir, can you help check on my mom? Please.
My dear, you know your mother is still angry with me. And considering her health, I don't think it's wise to expose her to anger or shock. So I will speak with the doctor and convince him to go with you to go and see her.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Don't call me sir. become a dad.
Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray. So kimaro. Many wanna pull me down.
Mama!
On your solid rock I stand.
Mama!
Yes, every day and night I pray. So give my love more. Anyone to pull me down. Oh, your soul is wrong.
Please drive fast. I don't want to lose my movie. Please drive fast.
Every day and night I pray. So keep my road. Anyone to pull me down.
Mama, doctor! I don't know, she's shaking, doctor, she's shaking. Mama, doctor, Mama, doctor, my mother. She's sleeping. Okay. Doctor, say something.
Hold on. Alright, just hold on, relax.
I'm okay. She's okay. She's not moving. Hey! Doctor, she's not moving. She's okay. Mama! Doctor! Hey! Jesus! Mama, I'm here! Doctor, do something! Hold on! Hey! Okay, Mama, doctor, talk to me!
Welcome to my house.
Who is Ma? Who is this?
Adora. This is Mona Chimso. She's my daughter and she's here to stay with us.
She's what? What did you agree on? We agreed that you will not bring anybody in this house. You see, this thing can never live under this roof. If you know where you came from, run for your life. An advice.
Her mother is dead. Where do you want her to stay?
What's my business? Is it me that killed the mother? If you know why they buried your mother, go and stay there with your mother. Leave my house. This thing will not live under this roof with me. Never!
Adora, this is my house. And who I say will stay.
You lie, father. It's not possible. Not in this house. You can't go out there, pick anything you see on the street, and bring right inside this house to live with us. Have you been jinxed, father?
What do you want me to do? To leave her in the streets? Huh?
What is your business? See, let run, oh! Leave my house. This thing will not live all in this house. Better run! I'm advising you. I'm just advising you. Run! Witch from order.
My dear, this is my house and you're staying here with us.
See, let me advise you. If you know where he picked you from, run away. Because I will make it, in fact, I will pray about it. I've decided, I will make sure that your life become a living hell in this house. I will so frustrate you. Papa, for your life.
Adora, my dear, don't be scared of anyone. This is my house. Come with me.
Don't come with you where?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey! Please. What? What's wrong with you?
If not you're my husband, I would have given you my car right now.
Yeah, hello, who is this?
Hello? Nurse. Please, I am worried. Is she in the hospital?
Mr. Michael? The one that has misunderstanding with Mr. Richard? No, sir. She is with her father now, sir.
Her father? Oh, she does not have a father.
Sir, she will be in the right position to answer that.
Anyway, can I see you, please?
Okay, I will text you the address where we'll meet by 4 p.m.
Who are you on call with? Is it the same Michael?
Yeah, Mr. Michael. He's asking after Munachi.
That guy is a nice person now.
Yeah, he is. And I guess he meets Munachi.
I thought as much.
Here you are. What's going through your mind?
Nothing, I'm fine.
You're not fine. I know it's because of what happened earlier.
Daddy, I'm scared. I'm uncomfortable in this house. Your wife doesn't want me, your kids as well. I don't mind going back to the village to hustle like I used to.
Oh, no. That is not an option. This is your father's house and you have every right to be here. Huh? My wife has a right to be angry. But she will come around.
I understand. I will try my best to win over her love.
Now you're talking. Have you had something to eat?
But I'm not hungry.
Oh, come on. You need something to eat. Let's get you something to eat. Joyce! Joyce!
Dad, you called me.
Yes. Please, can you help me get your sister something to eat?
Dad, can you please help make it make sense?
I said get something for your sister to eat.
As in what? Her cook or her maid?
Listen. I know you have a right to be angry. But it's not her fault.
Dad, listen to me. I don't care whose fault it is. As far as I'm concerned, this thing right here can never and will never be my sister.
Enough! Enough! She is your sister. And you go and get her something to eat.
Read my lips, Dad. I can never.
Joyce!
Peter!
Joyce!
Peter! Fool, open the gates!
Dad, you don't have to stress yourself. Besides, I'm not hungry. And even if I'm hungry, I can fix something for myself.
Thanks for coming to see me.
No problem, sir. You're welcome.
It's about Munachi. I want to know what's up with her. I really love that girl. Where is she?
I'm sorry, sir, but I don't know her whereabouts. The only thing I know is that she's living with her dad.
Her dad? Who is this her dad? I mean, where
It was
is he?
that same man that brought her to the hospital. But I don't know where he lives.
That man?
Yes,
The
sir.
man is her father.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once again, thank you. Alright, here. Take this. Take for everything, huh?
Thank you, sir.
One more thing, please. Do you have any way I can reach her or something?
Yes, sir. I have Munachi's number. I can give you her number.
Oh, you do? Please give it to me, please.
Hello? Please, who is this?
Am I speaking with Munachi?
Yes. Please, who am I speaking with?
It's me, Michael. I have been searching for you.
Ah, how did you get my number?
Does that matter? So tell me, how do you feel now?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for helping me when I was at the hospital.
No, you don't have to thank me. I'm glad I could help. So where are you now?
I'm staying with my dad now.
But I thought you don't have a father.
It's a long story, but I'll tell you about it later.
I have missed you. I really want to see you.
I'm sorry, we can't see.
Why? I don't mind coming to your house.
No, you can't come here, please.
Munachi, please. Just this one favor.
Okay, fine. I will let you know when I'm less busy or when I can come out from the house.
Promise?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, I have to go now. Good morning.
Did you say good morning?
Sorry, good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon. The same time in one day. Tell me good night.
Sorry, ma.
You know you're done with the house chores?
I'm almost done. It's just this place.
Almost?
Yes, ma.
Have you washed my clothes?
I plan I'm going to do it once I'm done cleaning and preparing lunch for...
Are you stupid?
Sorry.
I want to use one of those clothes this afternoon. And you've not washed it.
I'm sorry. You know I went to the market in the morning.
Have you dressed my room? You've gone down. Are you still standing?
No.
Stupid girl. Useless girl, idiot. Is this bucket in this house? Why is it this dirty?
No, she's very, very stupid.
Hello. I don't like this girl. I'll kill her in this house. That's your father's son. Run. Go and scatter everything in the kitchen, everywhere.
Ma!
Will you come here?
Why is this place scattered?
I'm as confused as you are. I read this place myself.
You don't know what? You don't know what are you trying to say? You don't know what? Tell your father, you're pretending to be calm now. Tell your father how you insulted me because I begged you to clean the house. How you were busy calling me names. What didn't you call me? Tell your father, stop pretending, Kejuna. I what?
Sorry, ma.
Stupid girl. Tell your father he's here. Useless girl.
It's okay. It's okay. Munachi. Go inside and get me my lunch. Then you come and arrange the house.
What are you putting these things by yourself? Huh? How come you arranging the chairs? But what? But what?
What is it?
The lunch is not ready yet.
What are you saying? Are you in any way serious? I told you to go and cook a goosey soup that your father will be here by 12 noon to eat his lunch. So what are you even... The lunch is not ready? Are you kidding me?
But
what? Why is it not ready?
It's okay. Munachi, go and prepare the food.
Huh?
Go.
Is that all you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
Are you still standing there? Idiot. But I don't understand. Hey, your daughter insulted me. your legally married wife. The girl called me names. And the only thing you could say is, go in and cook food for me. But if it were to be Joyce, oh, you would have screamed on top of your voice. So now, you don't want to confront her. She insulted me. And, are you serious?
Adora, please. Why are you making something out of nothing?
Me? Making something out of nothing? Out of nothing! That is all you have to say.
See, Joyce also shares the blame. Why didn't she cook or at least clean the house?
Joyce is sick! She's vomiting! I asked her to go and lie down so she can get well. How can she be sick? You asked her to clean the house. She's not feeling well.
Okay. Has she taken some medication?
As if you care. Since you brought this demon, this God-forsaken girl in this house, you have stopped caring for your children. You don't even know your child is sick. Okay, now, you are actually taking medicine. I don't know.
Adora, it's all right. I'm sorry. I've been under intense pressure. I'll talk to Munachi. This will not happen again.
No, don't talk. Warn her. Hey, punish that girl. Tell her not to insult me again. No. If she tries it, all my eyes in this house. If she tries that again, it will not be sweet. I know what I'm saying. Warn her for me.
I'm tired. Let me go in and freshen up. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Talk to her. Talk to her. Monachi!
Ma.
What were you trying to do? Trying to make me lie in front of my husband?
No.
Kneel down here.
I don't.
Come closer. Kneel down. Raise your hands up. I say raise your hands up. Raise it up to the highest. Be waving it up. Be waving.
Yes, ma.
You see this house? Next time you disobey me, I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I say be waving. I'm gonna let me. Like that. Just be doing it. Let me go and see my husband. Left.
Munachi, I want to hear from you exactly what happened. Because the Munachi I know will not insult anyone.
I did not insult her. How can I insult someone old enough to be my own mother? I was arranging the house when she came and asked me to go and wash her clothes. I told you, okay, let me finish and go and fix something for daddy. She said no, I should go and wash her clothes. She's going out with it. So I left. I was surprised when I came in and everywhere was scattered. Yes, I left the bucket, but I arranged it.
It's alright, I believe you. I believe you. Why are you not using the washing machine?
She asked me not to use the washing machine. But me, I don't have issues. I'm already used to washing with my hands.
It's alright.
Every day and night I pray. So Kimaro,
No one should come around.
many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray. So Kimaro, many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Chimo, Chimo, Biagu Gomo Bio.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Your breakfast is ready.
No, I don't have time for breakfast. I'm in a rush. I have a very urgent meeting at the office. You said you wanted to buy your jam form today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is it?
5,600. But the textbook I want is 2,500.
Okay. Come downstairs. Let me give you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mona, I am sure I left some money in this purse. Have you seen it by any chance?
Daddy, I saw Chiboy taking money from the purse.
Chiboy? Chiboy! Chiboy! Where's my money?
My money? I don't remember you giving me any money to keep for you.
Where is the money you took from this purse? Where is it?
I don't know what you are talking about.
Don't play with me. Monachi saw you take money from this purse. Give me my money.
See you.
I saw you taking money from the purse.
I don't mind her. She don't know what she's talking about.
Chiboy, I won't ask you again. Where's my money?
I'm not with your money.
What is this? What is this? So you have resorted to stealing from your father? Is that how I trained you? Huh? The next time you steal from me, I will be arrested. Idiot. Try me again. Take.
Thank you, sir.
Buy whatever it is that you need. Try me again. Idiot.
Be an idiot. You see what I've just caused?
Chibu, what is wrong with you? Why will you steal from your own father? It's wrong!
Keep your advert to yourself. Idiot. Useless girl. Because of you, Dad slapped me for the first time.
Chiboy, please, don't insult me. Don't!
What will you do if I insult you?
I will beat you up.
Beat me up? In my father's own house? In my father's house? Beat me up? No, touch me! Beat me! Touch me now!
Kenny, why do you keep calling me like this? Do you want to get me into trouble? I'm fine. But you have to stop calling me like this. I don't want to give my new family the wrong impression about me. I was busy. Okay, fine. I will see you later today. Once I'm done paying for my JAMB exam. I said I will see you, I'm sure. No problem, but please, you have to stop calling my line like this.
Dave, please, I need you to help me talk to him.
How long do I need to keep talking to Michael on your behalf?
I know, but just this last time. Just this last time.
That's what you keep saying. Yet you keep on making some mistakes.
Dave, you don't understand. I still love him. Please let me talk to him.
Have you talked to him yourself?
Yes, I have. He doesn't want to talk to me. He doesn't even want to see me. The other day I went to his office. They didn't let me in.
Of course. You hurt my guy. You hurt Michael so much.
I know. I'm sorry. Please let me talk to him. Just this last time. Please.
Anyways, I will try to talk to him this last time. Yes. Find yourself another guy.
Thank you. Thank you, Dave.
I'm
sorry. Yeah, hello, Michael. Thank God you finally picked my call. Michael, what is going on? Why are you avoiding me? I've been trying to reach you, but you're ignoring my calls. What did I do? Michael, so I don't matter anymore to you. Is that what you're... Michael, please, can you ever forgive me? I'm sorry. But I... Hello? Hello? He ended the call. For crying out loud, why is Michael doing this to me?
Yeah. You know, I thank God that, everything happened the way it happened. You don't know how I felt when I saw you battling with your life in that bed. Thank God you're better now.
Thank you so much for everything. I also had to pay for my operation.
Yes, I did, but you need to stop thanking me now. Huh? Everything that I did it because I love you.
Michael, you're a good man, no doubt. But why me? What do I have to offer?
You have a lot to offer, right? You have a lot. Peace, joy, tranquility, love, everything.
I am not good for you.
Let me be a judge of that.
Even if I wanted to, My father won't agree to that.
Listen, I don't mind meeting your father. Yes. Talking about your father, who is he?
Mr. Richard Okafor. The same man that brought me to the hospital.
That's your father? But how come?
He left me when I was a child.
Oh. I see. What about your mom?
She is dead. She died the same day I left the hospital.
Sorry for your loss.
It's fine. I have to go now.
But you just got here.
Yes, I don't want my stepmom to start looking for me.
Talking about your stepmom. Is she treating you right? Like, are you happy?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Nothing. I just wanted to know.
She does. I have to go.
It's alright. Take care of yourself, huh?
I will.
Every day and night I pray. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down.
Are you mad? Are you stupid?
Chiboy, what is wrong with you? Are you okay?
What is wrong with you, Abi? Abi, you have not served my food up to now.
Chiboy, see, I'm not in for your troubles this afternoon. What was your problem?
My trouble?
Chiboy! Chiboy! Chiboy!
Idiot.
Are you mad?
Did you hear this? You wanted to try it. Just try it. I'll squeeze the life out of you. You're raising your hand like this. Try it, Lola. Are you stupid? Huh? You look beautiful with this water. Hi, honey. Sweetheart, do you know I've served your food as if I knew you were coming now? Let's go so you can eat your food. Yeah, let's go. The food is on the table, right? Let's go, honey. Okay, let's put the drink.
What happened there?
Nothing.
You're all wet and you're saying nothing.
I mistakenly poured water on myself. And Mimi was shouting at me for doing that.
You mistakenly poured water on yourself?
Yes, sir.
Go inside and change your clothes.
Yes, sir. Come put it down.
Every day and night. So kimaro bimo. Many wanna pull me down. On your solid rock I stand. Every day and night I pray.
I thought I told you to change your clothes. Stop crying. I hate to see you in so much pain, you know that.
I know. What pain makes us stronger. I know I'll be fine.
It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I should have told your mother everything.
Dad, let's not talk about the past, please. No one is perfect. The most important thing is you realized your mistake.
But you are now the one paying for my mistake.
But I will be fine. I will. I will be fine.
It's okay. Munachi, I want you to tell me the truth. Did you see Michael today?
I won't lie to you. I did. But that was after I purchased my job phone.
Mona, your concentration should be on your education, how to excel in your exams. You do not need a man for any reason right now.
Oh, Dad, he just wants to talk to me. And I think his feeling is genuine.
Mona, you are a young girl. You do not need any man. Your focus right now should be on your studies. You don't need any man. Look, I don't want you to see Michael again.
Why?
Because I do not like him.
But Dad, you don't even know him yet. Why not give him a chance? Then know him better.
Listen, my spirit does not accept him. I don't like him and I don't want to know him.
But...
there's no but, Mona. No but. Munachi, please promise me that you will not see Michael again.
I will try.
I don't want you to try. I want you to promise me. Promise me you won't see him again. It's okay. Get up. Get up. Get up. It's okay.
Michael, did you follow Mr. Richard to his house?
Yes, I did. And I found out that they are maltreating that girl in that house.
What?
Yes.
Even her father too?
Oh, no. It's only the father that showed her love. And that's why I'm saying I want to help her. Allow me help you. That's what I say to her.
So, how do you intend to help her now?
By taking her away from that house. I'll take her far away. Somewhere they will never find her.
Michael, you really love this girl.
I mean, obviously, man. You know that I love her. I love this girl. I'm not a joke.
But you told me that her father hates you so much and he will never allow both of you to stay.
I understand, but I'm ready to do anything. I will turn that thing around. I'm going to make sure that he likes me. He has no choice.
Michael, listen, you are my good friend. I will advise you to leave that girl and her family problem alone. Move on with Rose.
Who the hell is Rose? No, with the mention girls, you mention who the hell is Rose?
You are babe.
How? The same babe that told me that she was done with me, that she no longer want the relationship. Eh? So, yeah, that's what she said. I was begging her and she refused. Even you go with my guy, you follow me, help me beg her. She no agree. So what do you want me to do? So I moved on.
See, believe me, she have realized her mistake.
I don't need her to realize her mistake because I have realized that she's not the one for me. Munachi is the one for me. And I thank God that what happened really happened. Yes, because Muna is the girl that I love, the one I want to spend the rest of my life with, the kind of girl that I want, my dream girl. So I beg, leave her.
My girl, you are in love with. I'm happy for you. But for me, I would say you should reason Rose.
Hey, will you stand up? Stand there. So, I will no longer have peace in this house. She reported that you slapped her yesterday. Why would you do that?
Me? Slapped who? You! Oh my God. That she was the one who slapped me. Simply because I was only trying to correct her.
Jesus, sister, me. Sister, I did not touch you. When did I slap you?
You're trying to deny it before Dad.